What's up, YouTube? Listen, fam, I'm just tapping in really quickly, guys. We had a snowstorm in Michigan, so your boy had to settle in Florida, man. So listen, I'm gonna talk to you guys momentarily about the Santa rally that's incoming. Now listen, when we talk about or when you hear anything about a Santa rally, typically, guys, it's the last few days of the year. Okay, so don't get it twisted. Don't think it's the whole month of December. It's either the second half of December, like from the 15th on, but a lot of times it's the last few days, meaning like the last week or the last week and a half, something like that. Okay, so what you guys may have seen on this past Friday, towards the midday, towards the end of the day, may have been the beginning of a Santa rally. That being neither here nor there for us around here, because we react to what we see. And so regardless of what the market do, guys, we have a game plan. With that being said, though, I wanted you guys to check this out, man. I got this pulled up for you. This is from the Business Insider or Market Insider. Investors just pulled a record $42 billion from stocks in 1 week in an attempt to cut their tax bill after a grim 22 loss. Okay, this is according to Bank of America. So across the board, guys, whether it's you, whether it's me, whether it's any investor that you notice out here, 2022 did incur some losses. Okay, that's part of the game. But what are individuals doing? Check this out. Tax loss harvesting is a strategy to lower investment taxes that involves selling securities at a loss to offset capital gains. So a lot of times, guys, I often talk to you about the process, okay? And then understanding that it's a journey. And if you don't sell, then you don't lose. But the reason why we talk like that is because sometimes everything is done from a strategic standpoint. So for example, we may have gains. I might have made 100,000+ a year in options, capital gains, regardless of how you look at it, okay? That's income. You guys see our dividend plays, Verizon, VTI, all the things that pays us dividends throughout the year. That's income. You get taxed on that. But if you want to offset some of that, what you do, you look at your losers. If you got a play that's down in your portfolio, you strategically sell it to offset some of your capital gains, okay? Make sure you guys are getting with a tax attorney or a tax advisor, somebody that does the taxes, so that you guys can have the proper guidance. I'm just trying to tell you the little surface level things about just how the thing go, okay? But at the end of the day, you still want to have a consult with someone that can explain all the new rules, all the details to you, to your situation specifically, okay? But with that being said, Bank of America said investors in the past week also pulled out a $10 billion from bonds, okay? So across the board, guys, this is what we call end of year selling. So if you see the market acting in wild, crazy ways, you gotta understand this is just what we do at the end of the year. We're trying to posture in position for the next year, and we're trying to either maneuver in such a manner where we can offset some losses, we can offset some gains and different things like that, just to make the income and make our reportable income and taxable income appear a certain way. All right, so please understand little nuances to the game. Okay, taking it down a little bit, under tax loss harvesting, investors sell securities such as stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds at a loss, then use that loss to offset any capital gains. There are benefits to harvesting losses even if an investor didn't have any gains, as the losses can be used to offset income or future gains. Please understand that. So even if you didn't lose this year, say you invested in VTV, or say you had Lockheed Martin or one of our plays like a Boeing, and you did good this year, okay, and you didn't have any capital gains or you didn't have anything like that. If you had losses this year, you can still use this format to, again, use it for future years. That's the time we do that a lot too. When we have a loss, we're not kicking and screaming. We're strategically saying, okay, I took a loss there. This play didn't respond how I did, or I didn't get out quick enough. My stop loss wasn't on. I'm down 30% on this particular play. Okay, boom. I'm gonna charge that to the game. I'm gonna write this off for this upcoming year, okay, like 2024 or something like that. And up to $3,000 can be written off, and then you just roll that over if that amount is higher, okay? So just know that. But listen, guys, I wanted to really quickly talk about whether or not you guys are going to see a Santa rally, okay? Now, if we do, I want you guys to think about the SPY. The SPY sitting at what, 383-ish, give or take, towards the end of the day on Friday. Again, it will make a push towards that 390 level between now and the end of the week, okay? So to the upside, that's what you want to be looking for, and that would be the equivalent of a Santa rally. Don't get your hopes up big thinking it's going to go to 420 or 430 from here, okay? But an expected move, at least to retest 390, is something you guys can expect if you are to see a rally. And from here, that's still a $7 move, and that's still big money in the world of options, okay? So again, keep it in context, keep everything the main thing, all right? With that being said, guys, listen, I won't hold you up. I want to wish you all a happy holiday. I want you to enjoy family if you do, enjoy some good food if you do. We got a shortened week this upcoming week. Monday, the market is closed, so we're working with a 4-day work week, okay? We got Tuesday, we'll be back at it. So if you haven't already, please join the Discord. Link for that will be in the description below so that you can start the year out on the right foot, so you can be positioned properly and aligned with someone that's taking you somewhere, a group of individuals that's trying to lead you properly and correctly on your journey, whether it's investing or navigating the trading landscape via options, okay? With that being said, guys, I won't hold you up. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, the most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.